Hello, thank you for calling. This is Niline speaking. How may I assist you today, ma'am and sir?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. May I have the details for your reservation?
I'd like to reserve a table for 4 on Saturday at 7 p.m.
Let me check our reservation book for availability. One moment, please. Yes, we have a table available for you at a time. Do you have a preference for indoor or outdoor seating?
Indoor seating, please.
Great choice. Now, may I have your name and contact number to confirm the reservation, sir?
Sure, it's Ray, and my number is 0951
Thank you, sir. Is there any special event you are celebrating during your visit?
Yes, it's my birthday.
Happy early birthday, sir. I will make a note of that. Just to confirm, I have reserved a table for 4 on Saturday at 7 p.m. under the name Sir Ray. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Before you arrive, sir, I'd like to inform you about our table releasing policy. We hold reservation for 15 minutes. After that scheduled time, if you're running late, please give us a call.
Thank you for letting me know.
Fantastic. Thank you for choosing Restaurante Abayu, sir. We look forward to celebrating your birthday with you.